Hello guys, so today we will review this book Birds of Indian Subcontinent written by Richard T. Minskip. So let's start. Helm's Field Guide. This is the content of this book and the page quality is too good. Price up to 854 rupees. You can simply get it in Amazon, Flipkart or in many shopping websites. This is This is a very famous book in Indian subcontinent, best book of Indian subcontinent. On birds of Indian subcontinent. This is the back side of the book. The book is paperback edition. I am so sorry because my tripod is not here. I am catching in my one hand this book and my camera is fixed. This is the birds. These are the hand drawn photos, not clicked photos, camera clicked photos. These are the fields. These are the plates. These are the colorful plates, very much attractive. And at the side there is given where they are found and with the names. Hand drawn, very colorful plates. Thank you guys for watching our video. And thank you guys for watching our video. Thank you.